Hello, my name is Dr. Ofir Benjamin from Tel Chai College in Israel, and I'm a lecturer and a food researcher on the topics of food structure, on food sensory, and alternative proteins. Okay, the FoodTech in Israel is one of those hot topics now, hot fields that Israel is leading. We have around 400 FoodTech companies in the country and also hundreds of agriculture companies as well. And FoodTech is very much developed in the entire country, in the center, like we are today in Rehovot. This is a big hub of FoodTech companies, but also where I am from, in the north, there are also many companies. We have incubators and we have accelerators and we have the academia, and those are all creating a strong ecosystem that brings more and more innovations in the sector of food tech. And if I can mention the main topics there, of course, alternative proteins with cultured meat, with fermentation, precision fermentation, and plant-based food. Those are the main pillars, but you can also see work on food waste, on AI, using artificial intelligence and big data for solving problems and optimization, and food processing and food packaging, and very much important is also the healthy food and nutrition aspects of food. Those are all the elements that in Israel we are working very hard to accelerate and to work on it. And the challenges that you asked, yes, we need more support from the government in order to create more research institutes, more academia that can lead to more innovations, more research. We need more facilities. We need more employees in this sector of food tech, in the industry of food tech. So each academia should grow and create more students and more graduates that can come into this industry. And definitely we have the challenges of the whole world, how to solve scaling up of cultured meat, scaling up of fermentation, and how to solve issues of climate change in terms of food, and bringing it to a more culinary and delicious food. It has to be tasty. So all those are challenges that Israel and other countries are facing. It's a strong relation because you see today in the conference here in the Faculty of Agriculture of the Hebrew University that many professors, many researchers, the staff from the university developed the beginning of the startup company in their lab. They started in the lab and then they move out and they developed projects, and then they became a spin-off into company. This is also what we do in Tel Chai College in the north. Also over there we have professors, doctors that working on research on food tech, and then we take it out into the incubator or accelerator and create new companies. It's a big question. Of course, there is a lot of impact from the food tech that will come in the future. Already we see starting of an impact on the environment, that you can say less consumption of animal products. Because of the food tech, you create more and more plant-based companies. You improve the quality of those products. They are tastier, healthier, and then you can see less consumption of animal-based products, which is very important for the environment, for one aspect. Regulation, of course, there is a lot of discussions between what the food tech is needing and what the food tech wants to go, and what the government is regulated, and will it open up and free some of those regulations and obstacles, but in the same time to keep the safety issue in the top priority, and the other restrictions that needs to be in the right process. So this is just two of those elements, but you're also looking at the economy, impact on the economy, impact on the amount of employees, on salaries, on wildlife, so many things.